We will now discuss about picture perception and description test. This is the picture which was given to you, and you have written a story in that after in 4 minutes time. Simultaneously, you were expected to give special tests, number of characters involved, their age, mood, and the sex, the male and female, where that is supposed to write. Number one. Number two, you are also expected to give brief heading of the story that you are going to tell. Then you are supposed to give out a story in 60 seconds. And then the same story you were expected to discuss in a group of 15 people. Since group of 15 people is not available, what I would expect that you would give out firstly the story in 60 seconds. Next, you should be able to give out the salient points of your story, which you would like to project in the group of 15 people, so that your story is accepted by all, because ultimately aim is to come to conclusion about about the story. All of you as a group of 15 people, you are expected to come to conclusion or onto a common story. 99.99%, 15 people will find very, very difficult to come to conclusion. But anyhow, every person must necessarily fight for his or her story. We must really understand no story is wrong, no story is right. What is right? How well are you in a position to defend your own story if you are right? And if you are not so right, then how well are you able to accommodate others' views in your story so that your story is probably accepted by the group? That is what the ultimate aim. With that standing now, I would expect you to give out your story in requisite time and understand what is there and what is not there. Okay, your time starts now.
Radha is a graduate student. She is from a very small village. By her hard work and determination, she got admission at the Amity University. During their second year of college, the college authorities put up a notice regarding the fees hike, but this was a problem for economically backward class of people, economically backward students. Being the chairperson of the college, Radha had a talk with the authorities. She put forward the problem of the students, and as a result, the college authorities were forced to put down the fees hike notice, and so that all the students were able to continue their studies there. After completing the year, during her third year also, she was nominated to be the college chairperson, as she was more courageous and as she was socially adaptable. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, right. Now, first and foremost, let's talk about before you go about the story. Before you give out a story, your story should start like this, that my story has 3 characters or 5 characters, aged 25 to 45, all mood positive or neutral or negative. Theme of my story is, in this case, probably stoppage of fees hike, which should be within 1 or 2 words. Then you are supposed to give out your story. You have given out a story in exactly 1 minute. Fair enough, that's okay. But what you have missed out is you have not talked about the number of people involved. Firstly. Secondly, before we proceed further, I would expect you to give out, when you are discussing with a group of 15 people, how are you going to defend your own story? Defend it yourself now.
Sir, in the picture, all the students are having a surprised face, and they are looking onto the notice board, which may be that may be some problem or any problem regarding the student, that they got surprised by seeing the notice board. So that it may be a fees hike, so that the students got surprised. And I have taken the main character to be a chairperson. These students who are facing the problem of financially background students, they had talked with their chairperson, so that she could put forward the problem of the students to the authorities.
Any other way of defending it? So now, if you are going to discuss this for 20-30 minutes, you
Okay,
don't
sir.
have any other valid point to talk about it. So how are you going to discuss? So the
Okay,
problem is now you should have to, when you're discussing with the people, you give out, yes, okay, that's one. People they may disagree with you. No, it cannot afford to be high. It can be a fest organization. Why is it had to be negative? So the fundamental that you started off, you started thinking it's a negative mode. So story itself is negative.
sir.
Firstly, secondly, you want to take credit for being from a rural background. Secondly, for not so economically good family. Fair enough. If you are going to, when you look at it, Amity is supposed to be a very, very costly college, private college.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have gone to private college, how did you manage to get admission first? Because that
And
does not, it doesn't stand to logic. People do know about it. So your story is not realistic. It's
okay,
supposed to be wistful as such. Secondly, you have talked about you became what is the college chairperson. Very nice, nothing wrong. So you are trying to be unionist. You are trying, you use the word, you force the candidate, force the authority to accept your views. What does it mean? You are unionist in your thinking, probably effect of being from Kerala. Union is supposed to be everywhere, every place in and around, and the whole mindset has become unionist attitude. You would always, the tendency to go against the authority is a common phenomenon, and that common phenomenon has become your psyche. How do you get over it? And if you expect, because services don't expect any person to be unionist, we can't afford to do it. We are expected that no, if we say people have to die, we'll die. That's the end of it. It is the motherland. So many people sacrifice themselves for at the altar of the nation. So if I start having it, well, it cannot afford to function. Secondly, except for approaching the authority and forcing them to accept your views, no other action has been taken by you. Now, if that is the case, certainly your story then stand up to the standard that we expect. Secondly, you have not talked about your special test, because is a special means how well are you in a position to place a figure with respect to each other. That is space. That's also part of intelligence. You never talked about what is the theme of the story you want to convey. So the probably you were eager to write a story. With your maturity at post-graduation, I do expect you to be mature, look for something. So the story should be able to, even though we say that you are not expected, the PPDT is not expected to check about the 15 quality which normal SSB checks back, but at least it has to be clean, good story. And it has to have some purpose from where, because understand, PPDT is the out in screening test, 4 parts are there. First part is what we call is the IQ test. If you don't do well in the IQ test, probably if you go OIR 3 and up, maybe, probably still may be recommended. But if you do well in IQ test, OIR1, in screening you out, people will think twice because you're already intelligent. Second, if you write a good story, so the 50% job is done. And if you can brightly and very in a confident manner, if you are able to give out a story in 60 seconds, giving out number of characters, mood, age, theme, and the story per se, probably 75% job has been done. Then coming to conclusion, 15 people, everyone would like to fight for themselves. If that is going to be a fight, it is a fish market. I do expect if it is a fish market, I should be the best fish available. I have got no option. It is the question of survival. Because 50%, whether we like it or don't like it, will get rejected, will get screened out in the first stage itself. Probably when we started screening test, that was not the aim. Aim was to concentrate on students who merit consideration so that the time of the assessor is saved. But unfortunately or fortunately, with the passage time, this screen test has become a place for based upon the number of beds available in SSB. I have got to say only 50 beds available in the SSB for a particular batch. Call-up letter has gone to 200 people and said 150 people come up. So what we have got? We have got no option but to reject. Other than, so I have to select best of 50. So it's a question of survival. I am quite convinced as a person who has been involved with us with SSB, that the present screening test is certainly not psychologically and scientifically correct. It is incorrect, but we have got no option but to live with whatever is existing till such time it change. As a result, now I do expect you to write a better story. I do expect you to give out story with more confidence, because that's the, if you pass the screen test, you've got 3 days to show your qualities. It is a matter of your past written test of APCAT, or those people who have passed in the written test UPSC. Imagine the torture. After having passed a written test, I'm thrown off within a matter of 1 hour. There cannot be anything more disheartening than this. But whatever is, that's the system, and I have to live with the system itself. Any question, any doubt?
No, sir.
You have not. So you have to have the logical. Now you can't, after having written a story, you couldn't afford to defend your story. You're giving out a point. That is the only way. That is, can't we do? How do we think about? How does you make startup what the setting is? Gentlemen, you could start, gentlemen seats a notice board and there's a group of people and they look like a student. It has to be some story related to school and college. Since all of our college, I have thought this to be a college scene, wherein probably you could have thought of there may be notice for the national, say, annual fest, which was likely to be organized every year. Wherein now this year became probably one of the special year where nearby colleges of the complete area were supposed to be invited. So this is probably one of the greatest challenge we as students had it on there. As a result, we wanted to organize. So probably you can make a better positive story. And then you got enough to talk about it. And then you have to accommodate when you are going to someone may come back. No, it may not be fest. Let's be probably football match. Okay, gentlemen, it is organized. So you have to accept it from there. It is organized from that point of view. Okay, so that's how the things have to go. Any doubt? Any question? Any doubt still?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's how the whole system goes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's Any question as far as PPT is concerned? I think we'll.
Sir, so
Yeah.
at the beginning, when we get 1 minute to narrate our story, we have to say that I have perceived 7 characters in the figure, and all of them are male characters. And of
It is not necessary now. It is because the special test, what you're doing, you are putting number of character in rectangular box, aren't you?
yes, sir, in the column.
In the column, if you are putting rectangular, what you've written. So don't you think it is important that you convey how many characters in your story are? Is it or not? And probably it is you're giving it, and their mood has to be positive, probably buoyant. Even if your mood is negative, probably it is incorrect on any part to talk, because that shows negativity.
Okay.
I don't want you to show negativity. Mood will have to be necessarily positive. And we have already talked about this hero must necessarily be of the same age and sex. So naturally, if you are 23, probably a hero can be 25, he can be 20. There's no problem. He can't be exactly 22. It's like a honeybee. Honeybee, thousands of honeybee collect the nectar from outside. They all give the nectar to in the hive. How do they give it? See, we are only 15 people. And if 15 people, you cannot afford to act like a honeybee. Probably your nectar of the story that you are supposed to give it to the group, you are not in a position to do it. Subsequently, we have known, there are 3 types of, in a group, a person can behave in 3 types. They've got a group task role, group building role, and self-centered role. Group task role is you have to act like a coordinator, initiator, point giver, opinion giver, opinion seeker. They are this is, you have to take the initiative, you have to act like the activity of a person in a group is supposed to be directly reflecting his or her personality. So until and unless you behave like that, would you be in a position to make any dent? Now imagine yourself with this negative story. Would anyone accept you? No. So that's first and foremost, I should be impressed. Now, what you are trying to, psychologically, you want to impress the assessor. That is what is there. How do you impress? From the content of the story. We have already talked content of the story, form the story, and then theme. That the story will have to show correct in all 3 formats. Content, form, and theme. And after that must be coherence. Your story must be coherent. By going to the principal or probably the authority, solving out your probably the problem of financial, what will be achieved? That's okay, nothing. It's a problem. Yes, I accept it is a problem. But it is what you should be selected for. You have to make your analysis. You have been to SSB thrice. This is the 3rd time you will be there. And if you are not in a position to analyze where I am going wrong, well, it's not. As a passing and failing in SSB, probably in God's hand, your aim is only to put in the best. But what is necessary there? For every time when I go, I must be in a position to add some value to myself. It should be my learning ground. If I'm not in a position to learn anything, well, that's of no use to me. Okay. Any doubt as far as PPT is concerned? No? So you must participate. You must write a good story. You must give out a story in 60 seconds. And then you must participate well. It is the question of survival, life and death. Okay. Yes, so that's the end of it. Okay. Thank you.